Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Nginx reverse proxy to support WebSockets, full guide step by step clearly. To update Nginx reverse proxy to support WebSockets, begin by accessing your server via SSH. Ensure that you have the necessary privileges to edit the Nginx configuration files. Locate the Nginx configuration file, usually found in the /etc/Nginx/sites available /directory. Open the configuration file related to the site you want to update using a text editor, such as Nano or Vim. Find the server block that corresponds to your domain or IP address. Within the server block, identify the location block that handles the WebSocket connection. Add the following line to the location block: proxy_set_header upgrade $HTTP. Next, add the line proxy_set_header connection upgrade. This allows Nginx to handle the WebSocket upgrade request properly. Ensure that you have the correct proxy_pass URL pointing to your backend WebSocket server. Save your changes and exit the text editor. Test the Nginx configuration for any syntax errors by running the command nginxt. If there are no errors, proceed to reload Nginx to apply the changes using the command system_reload Nginx. Verify that your WebSocket application is functioning as intended. You can use browser developer tools or command line tools like Wisket to test the WebSocket connection. Make sure to check your firewall rules to allow WebSocket connections if necessary. Monitor your Nginx logs to troubleshoot any connection issues that may arise after the update. You have now successfully updated your Nginx reverse proxy to support WebSockets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.